This tutorial is designed to show you how to modify your course menu in Blackboard 9. We'll first talk about creating a content area, then we'll rename a menu item, we'll show and hide the links, we'll remove them, and then we'll reorder the menu items. So what we first need to do is log into Blackboard 9, and we need to go down to the course that we want to modify. You'll notice right when you log in, this is the course menu over here. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to create a content area. So we click on this, and you'll notice that the first one is create content area, and if I wanted to create a tool link or anything else, I'd do the same thing. And I need to give it a name. Let's say I want a content area for just my syllabus, and I click and I want to make sure that I make this available to users, and I click submit, and you'll notice that it made the content area down here at the bottom. Now you'll see that when there's this box next to these content areas, and when there's no items in it, the students can't see them. So let's say I wanted to rename this. I didn't like syllabus. I wanted to add my schedule to this. To any of these boxes, I can drop this down and click rename link. And let's say I wanted to put syllabus and schedule. When I do that, I click the checkbox to save it, and now it lists syllabus and schedule. Now, after you have content in these, if you wanted to show and hide these to students, you could actually do that by dropping this arrow down, this double arrow, and you can hide the link. And you'll notice it puts another box next to it, the slash through it, and that means students can't see it. You can reverse that by dropping that arrow down again and clicking show link. Now, if you're in one of your courses and you don't want one of these content areas, maybe you don't use course information, you can do the same thing. You can drop this arrow down and you can hit delete. Now remember, when you do this, it actually doesn't hide it from students, it actually removes it. So if you have content in there, it'll remove it, delete it permanently. So now my course menu is a little cleaner. Now last thing I want to show you is if you want to move these around, you can actually left click on this slider bar here, left click and hold, and you can move it to where you want it, and that'll modify it and bring it up to the top, or you can put it wherever you want. So that's how you modify your course menu in Blackboard 9. Thanks for watching this tutorial.